Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Andorid T, and this is about TAHSIN. Today I will show you how to create a method in Java programming using a shortcut. So today video about is you make a method in Java programming using a single word. So let's begin the video. Today I will show you the shortcut how to create a method using a single word. So I'm going to my VS Code. Now I just create a new class. Now I give the class name new.java class. Okay, it will be okay. There is the new class. Java class is printed here. Just now I will put here only or this is a main. If you may put main, there will be a class, there will be a method automatically create. So how to create a method with using a single word, I will show you it again. Just type main and your method will be create automatically. So thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.